Hello guys, I'm going to speak about will banning plastic bags help us. Every day we come across plastic in different form, from storage container to a small candy wrapper. It is all plastic. It is not possible to ban plastic in every form, as it is very easy to use. In this presentation, let us learn how the plastic downside and how banning plastic bags help us. Plastic are mostly derived from petrochemical and can be found in various forms. Plastic bags are more easily available everywhere and easy to use. Most of the pollution is caused by these plastic bags, which even after disposal do not break down for over hundred of years. Plastic bags can be also a major reason for air, water and the land pollution. Being light in weight, they can be carried away by wind and as a result will land in between trees, fence, garbage and water bodies. It would be harmful, as if one consumed without knowledge it will lead to suffocation and death. Seeing the outcome of using plastic bags, many cities have banned the using of plastic bags globally in an attempt to preserve the environment for the coming generation. It is the responsibility of each and every individual to be responsible to their action and take a lead to minimize usage and to dump them suitably. With the increasing changes in the global climate condition and depletion of ozone layer, strike ban of plastic bags will help to scale down the adverse effect. With proper awareness and understanding, ban of plastic bags will help for a better environment